Faceless businesses are dominating the digital world in 2025. And the craziest part? You don't need to show your face, speak on camera, or even leave your house to build one. Thanks to AI, you can run an entire income-generating operation using just a few tools and smart strategy. People from every corner of the world are doing this right now. Selling digital products, launching faceless YouTube channels, and running automation-powered content machines. And in today's video, I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step blueprint to build your own faceless AI business from scratch. Whether you're brand new to this or you've dabbled with AI tools before, what you'll learn today will walk you through every single step. From choosing the right model to scaling with automation, no fluff, no gatekeeping, just results-driven strategies you can implement immediately. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't just some buzzword or trend. A faceless AI business is a fully online operation that runs without showing your identity or relying on traditional employees. You use AI tools to automate creation, communication, and scaling. Your brand is faceless. Your systems are digital. Your work, mostly automated. And the best part, you don't need to be a coder or tech genius. All you need is the ability to learn, test, and stay consistent. Faceless AI businesses are already making $1,000, $50,000 a month. From digital products to YouTube channels, client services to affiliate empires. You're not late, you're early, and it's wide open. There are 4 main business models you can build facelessly using AI. Pick one based on what fits you best. Digital product seller, templates, ebooks, Notion dashboards, prompt packs. You create once and sell forever. Content creator, faceless, YouTube channels, TikToks, IG Reels using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and stock visuals. Service provider, offering AI-generated services like branding kits, blog writing, video scripts, or automations. Affiliate marketer, promoting tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Invideo, and getting paid when people sign up. You can stack these later, but pick one to start. If you're analytical, go with digital products. If you're a storyteller, go with content. If you want fast money, start with services. If you're patient and strategic, go with affiliate marketing. To get started, you only need Gmail account, connects to every AI tool. Google Drive stores your scripts, templates, and work. Notion or Trello for tracking ideas, tasks, and launches. Payment processor. Use Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Stripe to collect money. Free AI tools. ChatGPT. Free. Canva, Invideo, CapCut, and more. That's it. No website needed, yet no logo. Just get set up and ready to create. Let's say you're starting a faceless YouTube channel or a digital product brand. You don't need a camera or microphone. Here's how to automate everything. Use ChatGPT to generate a YouTube script or ebook outline. Use 11 Labs or TTS Maker to turn that script into a voiceover. Use Pexels or Pixabay to get stock footage and B-roll. Use CapCut or Invideo to assemble your video with music and transitions. Use Canva to make thumbnails, covers, or mockups. Upload, repeat, scale. This works for TikToks, Pinterest pins, Instagram carousels, blog posts, literally every platform. And yes, people are making $3,000/month doing exactly this, with zero on-camera presence. Let's break this down like a business. Top of funnel. Use Shorts, Reels, and TikToks to drive attention. Post AI tutorials, prompt hacks, money-making methods. Use text overlays and trending audio. Keep it fast, clear, and clickable. Offer a free Notion dashboard, ChatGPT prompt bundle, or AI cheat sheet. Use Gumroad or ConvertKit to collect emails. Bottom of funnel. Sell a digital product, ebook, template pack, automation flow, or link your affiliate tools like Jasper or Invideo and get commissions. This is how your faceless AI business becomes a machine. You attract with value, capture with a freebie, and monetize with products or affiliate links, all without showing your face and mostly automated by AI. Want to run like a business instead of a freelancer? Start automating. Use Zapier or Make to auto-send files, emails, and product links. Use ChatGPT to write customer support replies, product descriptions, and blog content. Use Airtable or Notion AI to manage content calendars and production queues. Eventually, your AI stack will do 70–80% of the work, leaving you to focus on growth and vision. Let's break down a real business. A creator launched a faceless YouTube channel around AI business tools in late 2023. They used ChatGPT to write daily video scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Pexels plus Canva for visuals and editing, Invideo plus CapCut to edit in bulk, Gumroad to sell prompt packs, ConvertKit to collect emails from freebies, affiliate links to Jasper, Copy AI, and Phrase. By month 6, they were earning $2,000 a month from YouTube ads, $4,000 a month from prompt packs, $3,000 a month from affiliate commissions, $1,000 a month from coaching/workshops. And guess what? No one knew what they looked like. Everything was done behind the scenes, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. Don't wait for perfect branding. Start ugly. Start small, just start. Don't try every AI tool at once. Stick with 2-3 core tools. Don't make content without strategy. Always link to something, an email list, product, or affiliate offer. Don't neglect email collection. You don't own your followers. Build your list early. Don't quit after 3 videos. Give it 30. Then pivot, not before. If you're making digital products or running a content channel, you already have a warm audience. But don't just sell to them once. Create stacked monetization layers. Affiliate programs, promote tools you actually use like Jasper, Copy AI, Canva Pro, Notion AI, Framer, etc. Membership communities. Launch a private Discord or Telegram group where you share weekly AI prompt drops, tool updates, or niche side hustle tips. Mini courses or guides. Use ChatGPT to help you write a beginner-friendly course in a weekend. Film it using Loom or screen recorders. Sell on Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or Payhip. Your audience doesn't just want products, they want transformation. Build a micro ecosystem around your niche, and suddenly, you've created a business, not just a hustle. One of the most powerful things you can do to build long-term income is become the go-to person for a specific topic, even anonymously. Here's how to do it facelessly. Use AI-generated avatars like Synthesia, HeyGen, or DID to appear in videos without ever filming yourself. Use Substack or Beehive to publish a free newsletter. Let ChatGPT help you summarize AI news or teach one tip per week. Drop 60-second knowledge bombs on TikTok or YouTube Shorts using AI voiceovers and text overlays. Position yourself as the faceless expert who always delivers value. Fast. This builds trust, credibility, and virality, all without personal exposure. You've built your first office and systems. Now, here's how to take things to the next level in the next 90 days. Month 1, systematize. Create SOPs, standard operating procedures, with ChatGPT for how you write content, post on social, or answer emails. Start outsourcing simple tasks via Fiverr or Upwork, like thumbnail creation, posting, or video editing. Build a Notion dashboard to track KPIs, traffic, revenue, product sales, video views. Month 2, build authority. Pitch yourself or your brand as a guest contributor to AI blogs or newsletters. Create a starter kit product, $9, $29, and use it to build a low-ticket funnel. Launch your newsletter if you haven't already. Set up a 5-email onboarding sequence with ChatGPT's help. Month 3, go omni-channel. Repurpose your best content across TikTok, IG Reels, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Start a Medium publication or automate SEO blog posts with ChatGPT plus Surfer SEO. Launch your second monetization stream, course, community, affiliate hub, etc. By day 90, you're not just a creator, you're a faceless brand with leverage. The kind that attracts opportunities, builds income passively, and gives you freedom to experiment without starting from scratch every time. Let's say you build your faceless AI business and start making $2K/month. What's next? Sell it. Yes, faceless businesses are now sellable assets. You can list them on sites like MicroAcquire, great for SaaS and template-based brands, Flippa for faceless YouTube channels, newsletters and digital product stores, Empire Flippers for larger affiliate and content sites. To make your business sellable, keep clean records. Use Airtable or Notion. Document your workflows with Loom plus ChatGPT generated SOPs. Track analytics, store traffic, revenue, subscribers. Build your brand around a niche, not your name. Even a faceless YouTube Shorts channel earning $800 a month with affiliate links and a small product can sell for $10,000 to $25,000. Imagine building one every 6 months and flipping it like digital real estate. You don't need to go viral to succeed. You don't need 1 million followers. You don't need to build the next unicorn. You just need to stay consistent, stay curious, and let AI be your partner, not your crutch. Faceless businesses are the new frontier of entrepreneurship. They combine the power of automation, the scalability of content, and the freedom of anonymity. Whether you're an introvert who hates being on camera or a hustler who just wants to build in stealth, this model gives you the freedom to create without compromise. So take that first step. Use AI, stack your skills, build your flywheel. The next 12 months could change your life if you start today. And if you want more step-by-step blueprints like this one, be sure to subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. We don't sell pipe dreams, we build real systems that scale. Let's go build your faceless empire.